Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Yesterday, we had discussed the question answer or the exercise of chapter first. What's your dream? I think you have done that one. And today, we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter 2, the Robin Redbreast. Robin Redbreast. And before going to discuss this chapter, I like to tell you something. Yesterday we have done the question answer, the number A, fourth one, the answer which I gave that is wrong. Now you correct by yourself. I will give you the answer of question number 4th. What kind of room did the narrator lived in? The question was that what kind of room did the narrator live in? And the answer which you wrote, you erase that one and write the answer. The narrator lived in a big room which he wants to share with his brother and sister and even aunt when she visits. Okay. And the second thing, if you see your book or if you see the screen, you can see here the fill in the blanks to answer we are going to change. The number 1 is that after the days getting wet in the rain is fun. You wrote good lodging. Erase this one and write there unbearable heat. Unbearable heat. And the question number 3, we settled down for our picnic in a dash with a lot of dash around it. You wrote sedentary and second one unbearable heat. Instead of that, you write first dash good lodging and second one sedentary. Okay, children? I am very sorry for this because sometimes it happened. Mistake may be happen anytime, anywhere. We will discuss the question answer of second chapter, that is Robin Redbreast. And those have books, you please open with me and keep ready your rough copy. Okay. The first question is that goodbye to dash, summer. Then second question, as summer is nearly dash, dawn. Then third answer, the dash are silent, thrushes. Fourth question, the dash have flown away, swallows. Fifth question, but the dash is here, robin. Sixth question, the trees will soon turn into dash, ghost. Then come to number B. The question are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are there. Only I give you the answer. Only I will read the answer, and those have copy and pen or pencil, you supposed to note down in the copy and listen me very carefully. Okay. Now first answer is that the garden is smiling because the summer is going to over. Then answer number 2. The speaker has described the changes in color of leaves. Sometimes they change into yellow, then red and orange. If you want to add, due to the changes of season. Due to the changes of season. Then question number 3. The answer I like to read. The trees would turn to ghost just because of the falling leaves from the trees and remain alone without life. And the lifeless trees would turn into ghost. Then answer number 4, summer follows the autumn. Then answer number 5, during the dark dead winter, the wind whistles over the night and moans around the house. The frosty ways like iron, and the branches covers with snow. Then come to number C. Answer this question with reference to the context. Number A, the question is that pick out a pair of rhyming words from this stanza. It is for you. You will pick out the rhyming word. Then come to number B. Which three birds are mentioned in the stanza above? The birds are there: thrushes, swallows, and robin. Then question number C. According to the speaker, what are the three birds doing? The answer is that according to the speaker, the thrushes stop singing and remain silent. The thrushes stop singing and remain silent. The swallows fly away and robin singing sweetly now. The number 2. The number A. What do you understand by redbreast? The answer: a bird that have reddish breast. The answer is that a bird or that bird that having a reddish breast. Then question number B. Why does the speaker call the robin poor? The answer is that the speaker calls the robin poor because there is no food in the garden, and that is crucial moment for robin to get food. So the speaker call him poor. And question number C. What does the pinching time are near mean? And the answer: the pinching means to hold or squeeze a piece of thing tightly between finger and thumb. But here thing is different. The time has came for robin to collect the food, but the place where he lives lack of resources. Okay. Now students, we have done the question answer, that means fill in the blanks, answer this question and answer this question with a reference to the context. We have already done, and I gave you some duty to you. If you have books, please look at your book, page number 16 and 17, which you can see the book, page number 16 and 17. Take the correct demonstrative pronoun, and number B, fill in the blanks using the some word given above. Okay, this is your duty to find out the correct answer. Demonstrative pronoun, that means the using of this, those, that, these. Okay, this, that, or those, these. You can use this one and find out the correct one, which is correct. And in number B, you're supposed to find out the option, the answer. Okay, the answer you will find out in the books. It is given here. The option is given here. You like to choose the right one and fill up the blanks. Okay. If you see the screen, I put tick mark on the demonstrative pronoun. Look at the screen and find out the answer. Okay. And in number B, you can see the answer also I kept here. Which number A, I like to read the question. Listen to this word and concentrate on the sound of the letter PH. Every word, if you see the boxes, every word PH is there, the sound of PH. And which one is correct, you're supposed to fill up. Okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. I have kept for you. Okay, you find out and look at the picture activity. Sparrow, heron, pigeon, ostrich, woodpecker. You're supposed to match the name with the correct picture. Okay. Children, whatever you have discussed, you're supposed to find out the answer. Those have copy, you please note down. If anything, okay, if anything you want, you can take the help of your parents or your relatives. Children, today it is this much is enough for you. Then tomorrow we will discuss next chapter. Okay. Thank you. May God bless you.